Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to create a project for a staff mission flight. From time to time, staff members need flight bookings in order to travel on behalf of the company. Once the flight has been booked in Amadeus and accepted by a director, a project must be created so that the flight will reflect correctly for payment by the accounts department. In T-Web, click on Manage Your Projects. Next to Client, type Mission, and from the list that appears, select African Eagle Staff Mission. Click Create a Project. Complete the information in the New Project page. Requested by African Eagle Staff Mission, date request received, date and time of the email received requesting the flight booking, heading, surname of the staff member traveling, month and year of travel, and the destination, in date, the date of departure of the first flight, tour consultant, Julia, and for the passenger list, under guest 1, the name of the staff member traveling, and if traveling alone, delete passenger 2. Click Create. Under Search Services, click on Air Transport. Select the airport the flight is departing from and flying to, enter the date, and click Search. Tick the circle next to RQ and Add to Project. Confirm Add to Basket. For the return flight, select the airport the flight is departing from and flying to, enter the date, and click Search. Tick the circle next to RQ, Add to Project, and confirm Add to Basket. Click on Service Timing. For the first flight, enter the flight number, start time, and end time, and repeat for the return flight. Click Save. Note the current project reference showing the client code and project number by which the project can be accessed should you need to leave the system before completing the project. In Service Basket, click Book. On the Project Availability page, tick None to block the booking emails from being sent to suppliers. Confirm Create Booking. In Service Basket, note the new reference by which the project will be identified in future. Note the flashing red lights indicating that the booking emails were not sent. For the first flight, amend the booking status to OK and Save. Repeat for the second flight. Note that the indicator disappears. Once the status is changed to OK, booking emails are suppressed. Click Booking Consultant. Make sure you are selected as the booking consultant. If not, select and save. Click on Detailed Rates. Click Modify. The rate for the flight is entered on the top line and the taxes on the bottom. If this is the rate for the return flight, the rate on the return leg should be amended to 0. Click Save. Click on Quality Check. For Check Status, click Do for confirmation, then Rooming List, then Final. Click on Payment. Click on Not to be invoiced. Enter the reason Staff Mission and save. Once you have completed everything for the project, click Close. To open a project again, should you need to make a change, on Manage Your Project, enter the reference and click Open. To amend flight details in Service Timing, you can change the flight numbers and times and click Save. In Detailed Rates, you can amend the rates and save. Making a change will generate a booking. To block this from being sent, in Booking Management, tick Consider as sent. To remove a flight in Service Basket, click on the red cross. Note that the cancellation is generated. Amend the status to CXC and save. which will confirm the cancellation and also suppress the email from being sent. If everything is cancelled, remove all the flights, change the status to CXC, then click on Cancellation and I confirm. The entire project is now cancelled. If the flight required is not available in the system, for example, Johannesburg to Paris, it must be created as a tailor-made. Click on Tailor-made Services. Under New TM, select the country of departure, for example, South Africa. Select the OFS model Air Transport. Click Display Default Values. Amend the Pro heading to the airline plus international flights. Locations start and end should be all locations on board. For supplier contact details, enter your own name and email. Amend the OFS heading to the dates and routes of all flight legs. Amend service heading to return flight if applicable. For cost, enter the total per person amount and enter the taxes in extra fixed. All other fields remain as they are. Click Validate. Under Existing TM, select the flight just created, enter the date of the first flight and add to basket. On the Service to be added page, click on the plus next to Comments and enter both flight numbers. Click Add to basket. If requested by a director to change the country in for a project, click on General Info, select the new country in and click Save. And that is it. Thank you for watching.